What up, homeboys and homegirls, and anyone else who's at home? Let me just share my live, actually. Can I share my live? Do, 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 do. Can I share my live? Yep, let me share it to my group. Share, no, share to, more options. Share to a group. IEMT with Matt. Where's IEMT with Matt? I should imagine it's at the top, isn't it? Yes, it is. I'm doing an IEMT unboxing. Okay, so how are we all? I know that you'll probably have seen I have my three pillars model up there that Shawn Williams very kindly 3D printed for me. It was a little while ago. Now, when we post it, there was a bit of argument around the order of the pillars and stuff like that. And I said that it was my fault because you can change the labels and the order and everything. It's just the way that I set it up. And it's a bloody big pigeon. I was in the wrong for that. And so I've actually revised my training and stuff. I was teaching it correctly. I just wasn't teaching it. Um, well, I've changed it now, so everything's in line with everything. So I'm just packing stuff away. So anyway, I said to Shawn, I said, there's this sort of disagreement going on, but I was like, just ignore it. But he's like going, look, I tell you, I want to reprint it and send it to you. I said, look, you don't have to reprint it. I can obviously just rearrange everything. He goes, no, because I want to do some more stuff as well. I'm just going to resend it to you. Now, this was like a couple of weeks ago, and I haven't heard from him since about it. And then this morning, I get a large box, and I'm trying to not show my address because people will turn up and. But look at this. Oh, this is a box. Okay, so this is a box, a magnetized box, should I add, with my logo. Again, I've never had any merch before. So I've got my logo. So I don't know if people are actually watching or making comments. If you do want to make a comment, I'll try and see it. So once we open this up, so again, it's all magnetized, and it's there's go Shawn's sticker there. Oh, Williams Wobby. It has a very sort of distinctive smell. It is plastic. It's just so weird seeing my logo in print. It's really odd because this is something that I thought about. I don't know where I actually got that. I don't know what came up with it. It was a long time ago. I have actually updated a little bit since I've just done AI on stuff. But that's like the base logo, as it were, the first logo. But that's like printed on. I don't know how this stuff works, but basically it's on the box. And then inside, so we have the three pillars inside. So that's kind of largely the same. It's largely the same. The actual pinholes where you actually could, I'm not going to get them, but the tense is past, present, and future. They can go on any one of these pillars. Well, obviously, not any, well, yeah, you can put them on anyone. So I'm not going to do that. So I've already got those. In fact, I've got the past, present. I've got them actually here, so I can actually begin to start building it. But he sent me some more stuff as well. So this is the first thing. Again, I don't know what I'm going to do with this as of yet, but look how cool that is. So that's like a disc. Now, there's a bit of white round it. I might try and sand. I might try and color it in. The actual printing of this is great. The actual logo itself is not completely circular because I did it on how did I do it? But I know it's not completely circular, so people are thinking, well, there's an edge. That's once again sort of my fault more than anything. Not fault. It's just the way it's been done. But I think that looks great. I could even put that on the back of my laptop. I could stick that on the back of my laptop when I'm out and about. I could even put a QR code on it. But here, that's solid. That's really solid. I might just stick it on my wall. That'd be pretty cool. And then I get something else. I get this little keyring. Okay, which again is really good. Now, oh wow, oh my gosh, I can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but in there, there is something. So Shawn put a sticker on it saying scan phone here. I was like, why? Now is it NFC it's called? So I'll show you this in real time. It should definitely work. So you do that, and then it brings up open NFC tag, and it opens up my website. That is it's pretty damn great, isn't it? So that is great. So I never carry business cards with me, so I don't have any. Um, but that is great. So I've now got an NFC. Is it NFC? NFC tag inside a keyring. So if somebody wants information from me, they can literally just take. Now I've got an iPhone. I should imagine it works with, those other phones. Well, are they Android phones or something? I don't know because I've never had an Android phone. So I'll just show you how it works again because this is pretty cool. Let me just close everything down. So when I first got it, because I was trying to scan it like on the back here, and it wasn't working, and I was like, oh, I don't know what this is. And it's because of well, I have a case on my phone, and it's the top bit there. So you just touch the top bit, and it Chrome NFC tag, open Chrome tag, again straight to my website. Um, that is so cool. So I don't know how much this bundle would cost you. Um, ask Shawn. He was selling the 3 pillar model, this model with the labels and the tenses like past, present, before. That's nice. Nice little bag. Isn't it? That was £20. I don't know how much it would cost to get the box because he said he wants to send me this box as well. And I didn't actually think he because this is seriously nice. Can you see all the magnets in the box as well? So it closes nicely. Let me just line that up. Oh, I've got it numbers with that way. There you go. So that's pretty snug, isn't it? It's just again, it's just so weird. It must be like when an artist or a band gets their first album in their hands or something. Um, Not that I'm an artist or band. When they get like something actually in physical media, because we don't have anything in physical media these days, do we? But I think that makes a really striking impression. A really striking impression. So thank you very much, Shawn. William's Wellbeing. Again, I've put the link. So if you're wanting, I don't know if he's doing kind of more stuff like this. You'll have to ask him. I'll ask him myself actually. If people want kind of stuff like this doing, I don't know if this is a service he's looking to sort of provide. But that I love that. I'm gonna give it. I'll keep it there just so I know where it is. But I'll actually keep that with me because people are always asking what it is that I do and how I explain it, and I don't really do that very well. But if I can just give people a thing to scan, it'd be cool. So that's it all packed away. So there we go. What a cool little thing. So thanks very much, Shawn. I will keep it there for now, but I will put it up on the shelf. And like I say, I might even have the logo. I don't know how I'll attach it to a wall. I'm not very good with things like that, to be perfectly honest. So cool. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you all soon.